Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be installing my new tinted black windscreen onto my 2013 Triumph Daytona 6 and 5. All you'll need is your tinted windscreen, Allen key, and all you have to do is remove these 4 bolts and that should take off the windscreen. Now that they're loose, all I have to do is remove 4 screws, set them aside, and then it's going to be difficult with one hand. It should just slide straight out like so. There you go. And then any of these black things, take them off because we're going to put them onto the new one. After a bit of adjustment, I got it in. Now it's time to screw them up. I've already put 2 in. You just got to make sure the holes align up so you can see straight through. But so far, it looks really clean. Looks awesome. I'm going to be doing a new video on the race fit exhaust, just so you guys have an idea about it. And I've got a new one coming up about a quick shifter, so stay tuned. Looks absolutely awesome. It's a dash. You can kind of see through it, but don't think I will be. I think this would be very, very useful for when it's quite sunny, because it will make it easier to see the dash. It's already a lot brighter. I really like it. Awesome. Well, stay tuned for more because there's plenty more to come. Thanks a lot. See you next time.